Oo nga pala, magtatagalog nga pala ako. Good morning, y'all. Wait. I just woke up. Damn. Magta-12 na. Wait. Let me get tanked up first, you know. Titiklipin natin ito mamaya, height. Ito lang. Then, dito pa. Yung mga nabasang damit. What the hell? So, wait. Gucci. Oh, magta-12 na, so. Kakain na ako ng lunch. Let me eat my lunch. I have these leftovers. And this, let me eat this. This Malala gave me. It's chicken, I don't know what kind. But yeah. And then I still have the sisig. You know the sisig that I bought? Yung sisig na binili ko 2 days ago. While dinadrive ko yung toy car, type shit. So yeah, let me microwave my shit. Let me microwave all of my shit, right? Put some water in this bitch. Tapos naiinit yung kanin. Ganyan mabuhay mag-isa. What the fuck? So weird. Wait, what am I gonna do? Oh my god. Gagawin ko. That's so hot sauce. I made some hot sauce in this bitch. I don't know if it's gonna taste right, but yeah. Parang yung ating sipa lang, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this vlog is just basically a... So wait, let me... Wait. 2 minutes. So yeah, this vlog is basically a day in the life type shit, you know what I'm saying? Because we don't have any plans for today. So yeah, nagising ako na 11:30. So diretso lunch na. It's a brunch shit. So yung mga pagkain ko, mga iniinit ko lang. Mga bigay lang sa akin ng lola ko. Kasi mag-isa lang ako dito sa bahay and hindi ako sanay magluto. So yeah, time shit. So good, this is straight. We Gucci! Oh. And then we have mango in this bitch. And then, meron tayong mangga. Let me get 2. Let me eat 2. So yeah, ito yung lunch ko ngayong araw, right? Check this out. We have this. Type shit, so kakain lang ako ng lunch and then, yeah, ambak-ambak tayo later, right? Let me turn off this shit. So, lalagyan natin ito sa kotse natin, y'all. Ito, lalagyan natin sa toy car. This bitch. Naalala nyo yung nakaraan yung ginupit lang natin yung ganito para magkasya. And now, meron na tayong dalawa. So, wait. I'ma show you. Wait. Let me get my shit in the toy car, right? This is what I'm talking about, y'all. Wait. Let's see this and this. Oh yeah, I think I'll fit. I think I'll fit. Get your pictures. Hopefully it fits. Sana pumasya. I think kasha. Oh yeah, it fits. Nice type shit. Where's the other shit? Oh no, I think this is where we fall. On this part. Oh no. This is where we're gonna get fucked. It doesn't fit. Oh my god. Can you force it? Or it's gonna break. Wait, let me try something first, right? Mas masama pa yung nangyari. Nasunog. What the hell, eh? So, yeah, gagawin ko. Guguntingin ko na lang ulit sa kalahati and then yeah, type shit, right? Or should I just use this page again? Just let it decide. I think this is actual. We're gonna use this bitch again. Our old shit. I think we decide. At least we still do this one. We decide. At least nagawa natin itong isa. So yeah, let me install this shit in the car again. Decide, yeah. Bibili na lang ulit tayo ng bagang ganito. Para parehas sila. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. Swinging, bro. Thank you for watering the plants, twin. I haven't watered all of our plants for like a month. What the fuck? I always trust the rain. I mean, nagtatagalog nga pala. Hindi ko pa nadidiligan yung mga halaman namin ng, I think, 1 month na ata. What the fuck? What the hell, eh? Wala ko nakakalimutan magtatagalog ako. What the fuck? So, yeah, let me open this very quickly. This is like my package 2 days ago. So, yeah, let me open this right now. Umorder na ako ng bagong ganito, ha? Mas malaki. So, yeah, type shit. I'd rather love than lose a girl. Check this out, I bought 9. I need to reload some. Kailangan natin ng bala para sa mga APs, right? Let me put this bitch somewhere. I fuck up my nails dahil sa ginagawa ko kanina, yung pinipilit ko yung rubber, kaso hindi talaga siya kasha. And then, yeah, may kasugat ako. Tayo si Chelsea, that shit. And then, I fuck up my nails. That shit hassle as fuck. We ate. Oops, we need this. And then, oh my god, wait now. My lazy ass. 18 days after, hindi ko pa rin natitiklop. 18 days after, hindi ko pa rin natitiklop yung mga gamit ko. What the fuck? So yeah. Let me do this shit right now, yeah. Nililinis pa rin dapat yung toy car. Nasa biglang mula, what the fuck? So, we can do that shit tomorrow. Oh, after almost 20 days, natiklop ko rin yung mga damit ko, what the fuck? Damn! Oh! Grabing kulog naman! Gagawa lang tayo ng short vid para sa mga viewers natin sa TikTok dahil I think naka 7 million views yung clip page natin sa TikTok dahil dito sa customized car natin. So yeah, gagawa tayo ng short message lang, right? Kahit umuulan, gagawa tayo yan. Kaya nakapayo ako. Tire shit. Ano oras na? Wala pa tayong kanin. Para sa dinner. What time is it? Oh, almost 6. Wala pa tayong kanin. Wait. Nagkasaking muna ako ng kanin para may pantingin na, right? 3. Wiguchi. Wiguchi, nakapagsaing na tayo para sa dinner. And then, iinit ko lang ulit yung ulam ko kanina. And then, yeah, time shift. Is it good? Is it good? I think this is good. Alright, it's ready. How about the toy car? Is it good? Is it straight there? I think Sharky is straight. What up, Sharky? Oh, we can name him Sharky. Yeah. Because that's bitch a shark. Iinit lang natin yung mga ulam. Sabay na natin sila yun, right? Sabay na. Ooh, smells so good. Wiguchi. Right.
I'm working on bettering myself and looking better.
Tayo shit. So yeah, let me eat my dinner first and then yeah, tayo shit.
Where your roid at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they capping out shit?